Hey my pretties, welcome back. I am in Lowe's and I was stumbling through here because I had to get something for one of the bathrooms and I didn't even know that they had all of their Christmas stuff out. So we're just gonna take a quick look at some of the stuff. Hopefully all of the prices are on everything. This is Allen and Roth. Yeah, I'm not too sure about trying to find all the prices, but these pillows are cute. You got that giant lighted elk. Look at how big he is. He is $139. You got this one over here. It's a twinkle ornament for $60. Isn't that cute? I like that. But then look at this really big ornament. The big one that's way back there at the top. That's $300. That's really nice. And then you got this stuff right here. It lights up. Oh, that's cute. You got that tree. Okay. I don't normally, I don't know. That's $34.98. I don't know if they have like sales or what, but we're still gonna look at it. Oh, see, some of the stuff is reasonable. Like, I don't think that tree should be $30. But this right here is worth $15. That's cute. This cute little Volkswagen is $17.98. Okay, I like that. And these are all Allen and Roth. I would definitely buy that one or that. The little stocking hangers, and then that house back there. Oh, it folds out. Pretty tree for $500. That tree right there is $700. Look at how big it is. Look at that. Woo. Okay, so then you got these right here for $17. You got the matching stockings, $15. Yeah, those trees are $30. I don't know if I can get back here. You got this for $25. I like how they have the trees on their back. That Santa up there is $23. Oh, these are cute. They kind of look like gingerbread for $13. I like those. This pillow is $15. Then you got these jingle bells for $15. And all of the stocking hangers are $11, $13, and then $11. That's cute. And it has a little light on the inside. These pillows are $20. What is that? Kind of just some kind of a decor for $15. There's that house, the Volkswagen, and what is this? Oh, look at that. It lights up. But look at the little hot cocoa on top. What else is in there? Let's see. Something behind that. Oh, it looks like some mittens. But this is really cute. Let me see. Oh, okay. So the outside part lights up. That's really cute for $20. Let's see, down there, I'm trying to get between this tree right here, but down there you got those pillows for $20. Peace on Earth. This is only $22. Okay, these are cute, and they say they're shatter resistant. I like this set. I love the tree, the camper, the truck. Not bad for $23. And then you have that down there, which is a tree skirt for $40. And this wreath is $40. Okay, here's some tree collars. You got that galvanized metal one for $34.98 with a cute little cutout. This one is really cute. It's like a woven basket for $40. And then you have this gold one over here. I think it might be the same price, but it just looks like that. So you have those. Some more pillows with the antlers and the ornaments. And these up here, and the pillows are $20. Okay, I like this pillow. I think out of all of them, I like this one the most. Look at that, naughty or nice. Okay, that's cute. Merry Christmas, and then you got the blue one. Let's see. These little rows are kind of tight, so I'm gonna do this side and then look at that side. You got the Nutcracker on on skis. I said on elves. He riding on some elf's backs on skis. He's in this like squatting position for $20. I like that. 20. Oh, what is this? Oh, okay, so this comes on a little slab of wood. 25. Galvanized metal. Oh, I like these trucks. Look at that. I like how it looks like it has snow all over it. Okay, that's cute, and that's 25. So 25, and then you got this one for 15, and it does light up. Let's see. So the trees light up. Up here, these are 13. You got this Santa, it says rustic fur for 20. Look at his outfit, and he's holding something, some fruit or whatever. You got that nutcracker for 35, and then you got a little advent calendar for 15. This is 25. More pillows. I don't know how I'm gonna get down there. I'm sliding, you guys. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm sliding down the road like I'm on skates. Their ribbon is expensive. I'm not sure about who Allen and Roth is, but their ribbon is expensive. That is pretty though, but $20. Okay, that Let It Snow. That's really, really cute. I like how it has the mittens right there with the little sprigs coming out. Okay, and then down there you got that wreath. And those are $33. And then you got these little houses, like lanterns. Look at that. It has the handle. And the light does come on the inside. And these are 27. Okay, up here you got these beautiful angels, and the robe can be moved. It has wire in it, so you can move this. I don't want to because she might fall, but she's a pretty angel for 25. Look at that. I like that. These are 22. So you can get them in the sitting position like that, or you have this one. Really pretty. These are 22, well 23 technically. These are glass for 17. They're really big too. They're pretty. That's the only colors I see, the pink and the cream. Here's a stocking to kind of match this little decor right here with the red, cream, and the gold. That's 15. Another nutcracker. Santa. And he's 13. Here's another tree skirt right there. It says Mary. I like that. That's 40. You got that pillow for 20 with the candy cane on it. And then down there you got those wreaths, and those are 40. I like the colors on that. I really like that one. And if I can back on up, you got a pillow right here for 20 to go with this. You got these trees right here for 13. They look like that. And you have that pretty green and that burgundy. And then down there you got a wreath to match the other decor and a tree skirt like that. I like how they put those flowers on there, and that's 30. Okay, and on this side, which I think is the last row for those 3 that we just looked at, more of the pillows over there for 20. This really, really pretty wreath, which I'm in love with the colors. I'm trying to think, would I want to get that today or the one on the other side that we just looked at with the blue in it? But I like that. I like how they put the candy canes on here with the little candies, and this is 33. You got this one. I like that too. This one is only 15. Okay, it's not as full as the rest, but it's not bad for 15. These are 30. Very pretty. Really pretty. And then look at this for 25. Definitely glass. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh. Okay, and then coming up here, you got this little chalkboard or shadow box picture for 20. Pretty angels for 6. You got Santa. Hey, look at Santa. He got a big old smile, looking like he from New Orleans. Look at that. I like that. He got his little hat on. That's cute. $6. That's an ornament. These are ornaments. Oh, this little tree lights up, or little bush, for 20. And then you got these up here, 30. Okay, I like this one. I like how he's bending down. I love that little design or floral thing on their back. Another one of those. This is 20. Oh, they are cute. Look at their face. Little jingle bells. Those are really cute for 18. And then look at that nutcracker. He's all kind of like teal and pinks and reds. I like those colors. For 15. More jingle bells down here. 15. 20. And these are really cute. This is 20. It opens some kind of way, but I'm not gonna mess with it. And you can hang it up on the wall. You got a Santa Claus telephone. That picture. And that is it for right here. And then we'll look at some of the yard stuff. They have that tree up there. That little tree is 50. You got this cute owl. He's 50. I like that he has on a scarf. This will be really cute in the yard. What is this? Little deer, I believe. A fawn. And it has a little fur on the neck. This one is 69. You got that bigger one for 80. Oh, look at him. Oh, for 40. Oh, and they only got one ear sticking out. How cute is that? The Dotson is 50. You have an otter holding a candy cane. 50. There's a baby unicorn. Oh my goodness. That's 40. Oh, and the jingle, it jingles. What is that thing right there? I'm not sure. $60. Oh, a llama. Oh God, a llama. Okay, I can't move it to the side, but that's a llama. You got this Jack-in-the-Box for 90. That one is 139 with all the presents. 70. The elf holding the sign. Santa back there with his plaid shirt on. He's 70. And then you got a little baby fawn looking like Rudolph for 50. Oh, look, you guys. They got some Jack-in-the-Box. Oh. Let's see. Do we want to do this? Let's try it. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Okay. Oh, okay, well, he just popped out before I could get it all the way turned. Okay, yeah, see, he's not staying shut like he's supposed to. Let's try this one. I used to love, okay, so, the latch is not doing what it's supposed to do. Let's try you, little guy. Okay, he stays shut. Let's see. Oh. No. I like the Mickey Mouse. Too bad it's not staying shut though. Oh, that kind of sucks. But they're 20. They do have some snow globes down here. Disney, Peanuts, Frosty, and Toy Story. And these are 20. They do have a bunch of trees. Not gonna go through all the prices, but just in case you want to look at something. This one though is 99. And how many feet is that? 6.5. So this is what some of them look like. Oh, what is that down there? Let's see. Oh, I like that one. Look at that. So it has like separated colors on each row. So see how this one, usually the lights are just, okay, let's look at this one. See how the lights are all like that? That one is green, blue, purple, kind of like a rainbow going up. And that's 400. I love the turquoise on top. You can see it a lot better in person, but this is what it would look like. And you can use an app to control the lights. Okay, I'm not gonna watch that, but oh, there it is. They was like, you said you ain't gonna watch this, but here you go anyway. Oh, look. You see how it's changing? That is super cool. Love the way the tree looks. It's 400. I'm telling you, stuff is getting so advanced. You can control your tree with your phone. Like, oh my gosh. So this is the little tree area. And then let's look up there real quick before I get out of here. You got the blow up dolls up there. Look at Santa in the striped shirt. The swan. Oh, look at the penguins on the truck. And then what is that down there? And a helicopter, Santa, and some reindeer. And then you got, is that Woody? Woody. And I forgot the horse's name. Oh gosh, I'm kicking myself in the butt for forgetting that right now. And then on this side right here, you have this yard stuff right here. This is 49. Her neck is turned all the way around. She like, what you say about me? That's cute. The swan is 50. Look at the angel. Look at her. That's 100. That little tree is 70. These gifts, you get a set of 3 for 50. These are cute. 119. Oh, I like the way this looks. Like the wood and then the faux fur. You get a 3-piece of that for 70. And then the snowman that looks the same way is 80. The little Charlie Brown tree right there is 40. If you can see it, it's so skinny. Look at that. And then look at this for 60. I love the old-fashioned station wagon. And then you have a camper for 60. And I think that will be it, you guys, for, oh, they still got Halloween stuff over there. I don't think we want to look at Halloween right now, but they do got some faux fireplaces. So that is it, you guys, for Lowe's and Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Look how skinny that row is. I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye.